Hi everyone, today we are going to discuss the basic meaning of organizational development, and further we are also going to discuss its importance and various interventions. Now let us first understand what we exactly mean by OD or organizational development. See, we all know that in an organization there are various levels. That is, there is a proper hierarchy or reporting relationships that exist, and also there are various departments, and thereby it becomes very important that the betterment and development of the individuals in these departments happen continuously, because they are the ones who are eventually going to help in growing the organization, giving it a brand image. So, what happens? Why do we need OD? So that we can improve our people's or employees' personality, their motivational levels, their perception levels. Also, we can work on improving the interpersonal relationships. Okay, we all have learned interactional analysis that we can work on improving their self image, okay, and also on improving their ego state. So everything comes under OD. So it is a holistic and integrated approach to improve the efficiency and effectiveness of the enterprise. And also remember that we also enhance the knowledge of the people who are working with us, okay, through various techniques of training. Now, importance. See, it is a continuous process. Yes, it will go on forever and ever, because we have to remain updated with whatever is happening around us. Okay, this we can gain through various techniques of training, and it includes the knowledge basically that is gained from time to time. And also we need to improve upon our personality, our motivational levels and all. Okay, now companies that engage in organizational development commit to continuously improve their business and offerings. The OD process creates a continuous cycle of improvement whereby strategies are planned, implemented, evaluated, improved, and monitored. Right? So we need to plan certain strategies, how we are going to develop our people, how thereby our organization. Okay, and also the second one is increased profit. Organizational development affects the bottom line in a variety of ways. Okay, through raised innovation and productivity, efficiency and profits are increased. Costs are also reduced by minimizing employee turnover and absenteeism. Very right. So how does OD contribute in increasing our profits? So it's very simple that OD helps in augmenting the knowledge of the people, okay, giving them various skills, okay, improving interpersonal behavior through transactional analysis, improving their personality, motivational levels. So what will this result in? This will basically help in augmenting or increasing the profitability. People will work unanimously to achieve their goals. Okay. Now analyzes work processes. See, analyzing your company's work processes is another role of OD. When your company is involved in OD, you are able to analyze work processes for efficiency and accuracy. Very right. Work processes are basically the process through which a work is completed. Okay. There is a proper sequence in which an activity happens. So it also analyzes whether that work is happening in a proper way, or whether it is happening within a stipulated time. Is it consuming more time or less time? So in this way we can work on them improving this process, and OD helps us in that also. Now identifies areas that need the change. Yes, one of the functions of OD is that it identifies your company's operations where change is needed. Okay, so senior decision makers and managers can analyze each need and project the potential effect of changes into a management plan. Very right, you can identify what all areas are there which need to be worked upon, which need a change. So OD helps us in that also, right? Now OD interventions. See, the first one is career planning. Everyone wants a sound career, okay? And it would be like golden opportunity if the person gets the type of growth that one requires within the same organization, then obviously it's a golden opportunity to work within the same organization. So it is basically the process of matching the individual's career aspirations with the opportunities available in the organization. Very right. Whatever the opportunities are available in my organization, the HR manager helps in matching it with the individual's career aspirations, right? So the person is motivated to work with the same organization, and career planners help in that, right? Sensitivity training is also a very important intervention of OD. So how do we do this? See, it is also known as T group training or sensitivity training, and it is designed to help individuals understand each other's behavior. Okay, we need to understand each other's behavior. Why? Because we are working in an organization, in a team or a group, and the coordination is very important. Okay, various departments are there, but the thing is that there's a coordination that should be there in between them. Like marketing should coordinate with finance for money. Okay, then HR also coordinates with other departments. Okay, so everyone's coordination is very important. Then only the things will happen in a better way, achieved on time, right? So sensitivity training helps us in basically understanding each other's behavior so that they can work unanimously. Okay, now role negotiation. In some cases people have liking for different jobs. Okay, so the roles and responsibilities are renegotiated among them. Okay, sometimes it can happen that I may not like the role of a financial manager. Okay, so if someone else is working, let's say in a marketing department, and he or she does not like that role, so we can switch our roles. So this is what is role negotiation is all about. Okay, then redesigning the job itself. Yes, this can also be used for OD. See, some jobs have to be simplified so that it can match with the skills of individuals. Okay, jobs can also be enriched. Enlargement can also be done. Okay, so basically what happens is that when you're working in a certain job, okay, and that job you feel is having more complex work procedure than you expect. Okay, so the managers can help in reducing that. Okay, it can be done in such a way that it can match with the skills of individuals. So this is very much possible. Then skill training. Yes, various skills related to job because of continuous training changes. That is also very important to be given on time. Okay, so keeping updated your keeping yourself updated with time is also a very important intervention from which organizational development can be achieved. Now, what are the group focused interventions? The first one is quality circle. So what happens in this? See, there are a group of volunteers from the lower level of the organization. They advise the management on certain issues, right? They are the ones who basically advise your organization what all suggestions are there that can be used in order to grow the organization. Okay, because the people working on the floor level better know how the things are going on, okay, than those who are at the executive level or senior level, okay. Now, organizational survey. So it is the most important or commonly used intervention. Here the employees' feedback is taken and organizational problems are identified. Yes, you can even take the feedback of the people, how what they feel about the way organization is run, okay. So this is very important. Feedback is or can be taken through various surveys that are taken. So some of you who might be working somewhere, they know this, that timely survey is also taken so that betterment of the organization can be done. So this is a group focused intervention. Now, management by objectives. This is a very important technique and used predominantly nowadays. So it is a technique wherein the standards are set regarding what is expected from each employee. Okay, that is the standards or the basically goals we can say that are fixed by the organization. Then the performance is measured and finally the controlling measures are taken. If there is any deviation from the expectations, then we have to control it also, right? Now, quality work life. The work and personal life should be balanced, okay. If it is not so, then the organization could suffer due to lack of motivated employees, okay. So maintaining the work and personal life is also important and needs to be taken care of. Okay, now let us practice some important questions. Quality circle technique of OD was perceived in which country first? India, China, Japan, England. So remember, it was perceived in Japan first, right? So the correct answer is option C for this. Now the next question is, under which technique of OD the match is made between job roles and employee skills? See, it is basically done in case of redesigning the job, okay. Some jobs have to be simplified so that it can match with the skills of the individuals. So correct answer for this would be job redesign. That is option A. So this was all for today. Thank you so much for your time.